Hello YouTube and welcome to my first tutorial. In this episode we're going to be taking this boring old website which is not using Bootstrap and we're going to add Bootstrap to the application. So there's two ways of doing this. One is with the CDN and one is using NPM. So to get started we're going to type Bootstrap in on Google. And we're going to scroll down to where it says include via CDN. I'm going to press copy to clipboard on the first code snippet that we can see right here. Now I'm going to go back to our Angular application. I'm going to open the index.html file or whichever HTML file has your app-root or your main component. So we're going to paste this into the head and press save. Now if we refresh our application, we'll be able to see that we are now indeed using Bootstrap. But let's try another way. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to delete this line of code. I'm going to press save. And now you can see we are no longer using Bootstrap. So I'm going to go back to the Bootstrap website and scroll to the top. And right here, right beside the button that says read the docs, I'm going to copy this code snippet. And I'm going to open up a new terminal window and paste it. Now after that's done loading, we can check out the changes in our source control. And we can see the package lock.json and the package.json have been updated to include Bootstrap. And if we open our node modules folder, we're going to be able to see a new folder titled Bootstrap. If we open this up and we go to dist, CSS, we're going to see a bootstrap.css file, and this file is going to be our style sheet. But better yet, we have a bootstrap.min.css file, which we can also use. So let's go to our global styles, which is the styles.css file. And in CSS, you can actually import other CSS files using the @import function. And then we're going to go URL. Now we're going to type // to go back a repository. We're going to enter our node modules, the Bootstrap folder, dist, CSS, and we're going to copy the exact pathway we used to find our style sheet. And I'm going to select this one, bootstrap.min.css. Now if I press save and go back to our application, we'll see that we're using Bootstrap once again. Now let me show you another way of doing it. What we're going to do is we're going to copy this link right here. And now I'm just going to delete it. Now if we go back, we'll see we're not using Bootstrap anymore. Now in our angular.json file, we can actually scroll down to where it says styles. And this is an array, so you can import as many style sheets as you'd like. So I'm going to copy what we had before and paste it in. But now, since we're in the angular.json file and not the styles file, we actually don't need this dot to go back a repository. So it's just going to be // and now we're going to press save. And now for the changes to take place, we're actually going to have to stop the server and run it again. Now as you can see, we have Bootstrap running in our application. Thank you so much for watching this video, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.